how to fix stuck the update on the Valorant if in the 0.1 kilobytes per second. Okay, how to fix this problem? No problem. Okay, it's the easy fix, and you close all the Riot client, you close, okay, and the Valorant game, and you go to the hidden icons, and you right click in the Riot games, and you exit. Okay, here you go to the task manager and you put the Valorant here, and if you have any process you close the process, and in the Riot, okay, not have any process, nice, and go to the Riot client and you execute with the administration, okay, and you update the Riot the Valorant, okay, and you fix the problem. Bye bye.